thank you. BJP made history. I am BJP man, disciplined worker.
Rahul, absolutely, you are not wrong, not at all, because you know the inside story, you know my stories, and you know the 5-year story which I have been, a lot of people have been facing, and it is a definite squad of people who had access to the highest point. And if you are criticizing about anything, then you are just BJP. So that is something which reporters out here faced. A lot of reporters out here faced. So that was something which was there. Right now, I would just like to also show you the historic win of none other than Shubhendu Adhikari, winning 2 seats, and Bhawanipur, that to more than 15,000 margin, is something which is historic, unprecedented, and you can see the hero of the day will be coming out in few seconds from now, and the entire, his supporters, BJP workers, and these are those workers who have been jailed, who have been beaten up, who have been, got so many cases, and lot of other oppressions which they have gone through. I was speaking to the chief electoral agent of Shubhendu Adhikari, Surya Neel. He said that they have faced a lot of things, even in the strong room, even today till the last ball Mamata Banerjee tried to play out. But this is Shubhendu Adhikari clearly. This is not only the unprecedented win of Bharatiya Janata Party, the Parivartan out here, but also the biggest story is Shubhendu Adhikari now will be wearing a badge with a 2 times defeat. He has been defeating Mamata. He has defeated Mamata Banerjee twice. Mamata Banerjee, who was Shubhendu Adhikari's Gurudev, and I call him as a Karna of this Mahabharat. And now he has become Sri Krishna, and you can see the celebrations, Rahul. People, and these are those people. This was Shubhendu, who clearly said that Hindu Leher ki jeet. This is a win of Hindu polarization, and all credit goes to Narendra Modi. This is Kamalika Singh Gupta reporting with Anshuman Pai.
Thank you. BJP made history. I am BJP man, disciplined worker.